Would you fly me? I'd fly me. I'd fly me so hard. And welcome to Quadcopter Review. I'm your host Pepe Prawns, and as always, as I ask in the beginning of these videos, don't forget to like, comment if you want to, and subscribe to the channel. Subscribing helps grow our channel. Liking and commenting helps us here on the YouTube search engine. Also, you can look right here at the top right now, and you'll see a link to all of our latest giveaways. Now today we're talking about some NewBeeDrone stuff. We got the NewBeeDrone Venom props, and we got the NewBeeDrone honey patch antenna. Now, the reason why I'm showing you both of these in this is because this is also a giveaway video. So we're going to be giving away 2 sets of Venom props, and you can get a honey patch antenna. And I've got these in linear, so they work with your dipoles on all your wonderful NewBeeDrone products like your V2, your Light, your Unicorn motors. Have this one separate so we can use any one of our heads on top of these unicorns and have fun with those. If you don't have any unicorns, think about it. These are awesome, fast motors and a good time. As you can see, I keep them separated here and pop the brains on, either brain on them at any time, just when I want to really rip it, because these things fly. So yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to pop the regular 3-blade props off, and we're going to try out these Venom props. Not going to be a lot to talk about here in the beginning. We'll do a little weight on the 3 blades versus the 2 blades, and a little bit to talk about as far as the antenna goes. Now, this is a patch antenna made by NewBeeDrone, and like I said, this is made specifically for your linear / dipole antennas here that we use on our whoops. They also make right hand and left hand circular polarized if you want those, but I'm giving away a linear for our whoops. And I'm going to check this out on my Fat Sharks. I usually use an Immersion RC Spironet patch antenna is my go-to patch antenna, right hand circular polarized. But so we should see a difference when we're actually using this made for our dipoles versus this one. We'll check this out inside and outside and hopefully be able to show you some difference about that. Always good things to say about NewBeeDrone. Mostly I like the guys' mission. Their mission is, you know, keeping here in the US, doing their best to give us the best products they can. They don't compromise on their designs and their builds of their products with their name on it. They put a lot of work into it. Interesting about this one is it comes with their branded little sticker you can put on it, or like in my case, I can even put my own Quadcopter Review sticker on here and have my own branded little patch antenna. So the ones we got here are courtesy of Jameson on the patch antenna, so thanks a lot, Jameson, over there at NewBeeDrone. We appreciate that. And of course,
it puts the honey patch antenna on its goggles, or it gets the hose again.
And of course, I bought one here to give away, and we've got the props here that they were sold out, so I had to go to Heli Nation to get some of these because they are distributing these not solely from their shop, so you can get them at a lot of places. You can look these up and buy them. I'll have some links below for all of this stuff. So let's get started by first pulling off one of our 3 blades. Oh, there we go. So a lot of times you don't need a prop puller on these particular things because they will come off. Just depends. I get my little wire saver here on because I love those. So, got one of the 3 blades off here. So, 0.2 grams on this guy. I want to believe Jameson already did this. It was like 0.1 on this, so just a little bit of weight. I know a lot of you guys are worried about that in the whoops. I don't race mine, so I don't really give a crap. Doesn't affect me. 21.1, 20.9, 1.1, so that's 2. Let's re-measure our pink one, whatever I just did with it. Yep, so just 0.1 higher on the 3 blade. So that's your weight for those who are wanting to know. Got that. So we're going to take it off of our BeeDrone light here and add those and see how that goes.
Okay, with our new props on, I want to start this by just giving you one piece of information. Now, I'm sitting in the left-hand corner of this porch. You'll see it when I fly through. Sitting there is actually like the worst place in the world because I'm blocked to the left from a bush. Everything pretty much on the left of me, and the left-hand side is where my fat sharks are going to have their antennas. The left-hand side's pretty much blocked off. Everything on that side of the house right there is completely the opposite side of my goggles, and everything back behind the porch is behind me. So keep that in mind as we're thinking about the patch antenna. When I got the SpiroNet, I got that after trying several different patches because I literally couldn't go over there behind the house. I couldn't go behind me on the porch at all without VTX dropouts. So that was, Spiro was the only one that I could find that actually was gonna work. So this one's working great as well. I'm able to go everywhere I can go on the SpiroNet. The Amway couldn't do it, and several others. I never did like a patch antenna comparison because Bardwell, other people have done it, and quite frankly, nobody's sending me a handful of patches to text. So far, patch antenna, love it, gonna stay on my goggles. Now let's talk Venom props. Talking about props is difficult because it's kind of how it feels to you. So all I can really give you is how it feels to me. And what I can tell you is these are staying on, and I'm buying more, and I absolutely love them. You can see the sweet controlled flight. Everything is super, smooth as hell. Really pleased. I know, I heard Chris say I'll never go back, and I was like, oh well, it's their product, they're gonna say that. No, I won't go back to 3 blades as far as flying this BeeDrone light. It is just, it's awesome. It's locked in, turns are solid. I was really pleased. Again, test them out, get a 4-pack for yourself, see if it fits for you. Everything in this has to do with your flying and how you feel about a certain product. You have to test it out. But for me and my flying, I love them, guys, and I would recommend at least giving them a try at bare minimum and see how you like them. One little side note, if you happen to ever get one of these as a loose prop, Goose had mentioned just take a piece of dental floss, stick it in the hole, and slide it on with the prop, snip off the extra, and that will lock you in if you should happen to get one, in manufacturing. There'll be one or two that has a little bit looser of a hole. I didn't run into that myself personally, but I just wanted to pass that on in case you're watching these and you get these props. Now to have a chance to win 2 sets of these props and a patch antenna here on my channel, what you're going to need to do is make one comment and one comment only on this video. Be a subscriber to my channel. If you're already a subscriber, you're all set. If you're not, go ahead and subscribe to the channel now. And I need you'll be able to see that you're a subscriber on my channel when I go and check during the giveaway. We also are going to need you to go ahead and share this on Facebook and any of the other places you'd like to share it. That's not required, but it's super helpful to me if you'd go ahead and do that. Last but not least, on the giveaway date here, this is going to be done on February 28th, so make sure you either come back to the channel, check to see if you won, or click that little bell so that you'll get an alert that I have put the winner video up so you can see who has won this set. Now, as always, in the bottom of the video here in the description and in the comments, you're going to be able to see the date of the giveaway, and you're going to be able to check out all the links I've talked about in this video that can take you back to NewBeeDrone or whomever I'm talking about on any of my videos. So make sure you check that out, and the rules for this giveaway will also be in there, so make sure you check those out as well. So as always, guys, I hope this video was helpful to you, and make sure you share, like, subscribe, tell all your friends about the channel, and happy flying.
Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out the Quadcopter review. If you want to see more interesting reviews on FPV related stuff, take a look up here in the old right corner right there. You'll find links to all the rest of my reviews. If you want to get in on some of the best giveaways on YouTube, look over here. Don't forget to subscribe right here on my chin. And if you want to check out my flying only videos separated from the review channel, check that out right here. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy flying.